I will choose from modules. Okay. So Form 5 chapter 7, Form 5 bab 7. Okay, so this chapter, mainly you must focus on your drawing. Kena sangat bagus dalam lukisan graf. Betul? Siapa struggle kat sini bahagian graf? Form 5 bab 7. Who feel they are very weak in this Form 5 chapter 7? A lot, huh? Okay, so later we will discuss the question regarding the graph. Okay, don't worry, we will learn on the graph. Kita akan tengok graph nanti. Okay, so guys, tell me, how many graph you have in this chapter? Berapa jenis graph kamu kena lukis? Form 5 bab 7. What are the types? How many? Okay, correct. Can you list out? Boleh bagi contoh? What are the type of graph you draw in this chapter? Jenis-jenis graph yang kamu tahu. Yes, ogive one, correct. Some more? Histogram, betul. Okay, one more. Okay, very good. Polygon kekerapan, guys. Frequency polygon, correct. Very good. Okay, so always remember these three graph only. They will ask you over here, tiga graph. So you must know all the three. Macam mana nak lukis. Okay, sometimes they can ask you also box plot in this chapter. Plot kotak pun boleh tanya. Okay, so you must know total 4, including box plot. Okay, all right. So we start with the objective question. Okay, for those yang baru join, boleh share link juga, okay, kat kawan-kawan. Kita buat ulang kaji Form 5 bab 7, revision class Form 5 chapter 7. Okay, so guys, let us see this question. Okay, so first step, the question asks you to find Q minus P. Okay, cari nilai Q tolak P. Okay guys, how to find the value? May I know? How should I do it? Okay, so first of all, can you all tell me what is the P value? Apa nilai P kat sini? Cuba comment. What is your P value based on the data? Okay, let's see. Firdaus pun join. 15. Bukan? Betul. Correct. Okay, P equal to 15, guys. Correct. Okay, so Q value. What is your Q value, guys? Nilai Q berapa? Okay, let's see. More people cuba jawab. Lagi orang, apa nilai Q bagi soalan ni? What's the value? Yes. Okay, the value should be 35. 35. Okay, guys. So what is your answer? Apa jawapan akhir untuk soalan ni, guys? What is your final answer? A, B, C, or D? Come on, guys. A, B, C atau D? Jawapan soalan ni. Cepat. What is your final answer? Yes. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, 20. Correct. Okay, so basically, P equal to 15, Q equal to 35. So that's why your final answer jawapan akhir adalah 20. Okay, so yeah, correct. Any question, guys? Kalau faham type 1, tak faham type 2. If you understand what I say, type 1, don't understand type 2. Okay, all understand, huh? Okay, so this is the working. Ini adalah cara dia. Okay, so basically, guys, the rest boleh dengar tak dengan jelas? Is it clear my voice? Mungkin kamu kena naikkan volume. Can, right? Okay, so saya maintain lah. Okay, so now guys, how to get P and Q? Okay, sangat senang guys. You must understand that this one is frequency, this one is cumulative frequency. Okay, dua benda berbeza. Kekerapan longgokan. So macam mana dapat kekerapan longgokan guys? How do you get cumulative frequency? It is just basically you take the value over here, example 3, plus the value over here, 7. So you will get the answer 10. Boleh nampak pola tak guys? 3 tambah 7 sama dengan 10. Macam silang sahaja. You just cross. Okay, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus P, 25. So that's why P sama dengan 15. Okay, lepas tu Q, 25 tambah 10 sama dengan Q. Okay, so Q equal to 35. That's how you answer it. Okay, so that's why Q tolak P equal to 20. Boleh guys? Clear, right? Sangat jelas kan? Okay? 1 or 2 guys? Clear, huh? Okay, next question. Soalan kedua. Okay, so now they show you a histogram, guys. Okay, so may I know, x-axis, paksi x, semua nilai ni mewakili apa dalam histogram? What does all this value represent in your histogram? Is it upper boundary? Is it midpoint? Is it lower boundary? Apa dia? Okay, so usually, right, guys, when you see 0.5, right, bila nampak perpuluhan 5 kat belakang, you always see 0.5, 0.5. Usually, it will be your upper boundary and lower boundary. Dia akan jadi sempadan bawah dan sempadan atas setiap kelas. Okay, contoh. Let's say I focus on this one. Okay, this class alone. Saya fokus yang ni sahaja. So guys, my lower boundary is 5.5. Upper boundary is 10.5. Something like that. Okay. Kalau saya fokus yang ni, sempadan bawah 10.5, sempadan atas 15.5. Okay. So macam tu. So guys, y-axis, paksi y for histogram. Apa label yang kita bagi for the y-axis of a histogram? May I know? Yes. Okay, so all these value actually represent the frequency, kekerapan. Okay. All right, guys. So now we see the question. So they ask you what is the size of the class? Apa size selang kelas? So A, B, C, D. What is the answer? Very easy, this one. Sangat senang. So what is your answer? Size class. Yes. Okay, the answer is A, guys. Jawapan dia adalah A. Okay, mengapa A? Macam mana cari size class, guys? Cuba ingatkan saya. How do we find the class size? We will take the upper boundary minus the lower boundary. Correct? Sempadan atas tolak sempadan bawah. So that's why your answer is 5. Okay, kalau kamu tak percaya, kamu pilihlah mana kelas yang kamu nak. You just choose any class you like. Every single value will be 5. Setiap nilai, beza dia adalah 5. Okay, jarak, the distance is 5. So skala dia adalah 2 cm kepada 5 unit. Okay, 2 cm to 5 unit on x-axis. Okay, so answer will be 5. Boleh dapat, guys? So answer is A, huh? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Okay, so this is how you solve. 1, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Third question. Okay, so this question, they say that the mean is 17. Okay, mean data, yes, ada. Jangan risau. Okay, it's recorded. Okay, so they ask you what is the possible value of x dan y. Apa nilai mungkin bagi x dan y. So guys, I give you all time lah. You try and see. Cuba buat. What will be your answer? This question is slightly different from what you usually see. Sedikit berbeza. So kamu kena cuba. But not that hard. Tak sangat susah. So bila dapat jawapan, kamu terus komen. A, B, C atau D. Yes, correct, guys. You must use trial and error only. No other method. So anyone get the answer, Adi? Dah dapat? Okay. Okay, some more people? Lagi orang? Apa kamu cakap? A, B, C or D? What do you think? Okay. Some more. I want more people. Nak lagi orang cuba. Wah. B, C, D already got answer, guys. So siapa nak jawab A sekarang? Who want to answer A? Tak ada. Okay. Wah, boy, donkey. Okay, guys. In this case, I read the name lah. Who is correct? Okay, so Fashiva, Navanita, Islamic writing. Saya tak tahu pronounce, guys. Sorry, Islamic writing. I don't know what's your name. Yuni, Mary, and then Hannah. Okay, semua betul. Okay, so guys, the answer is boy. Okay, yes, Tamau Kai also correct. Okay, guys, so do you know how you get boy? Okay, so this one I explain. Since ada orang dapat salah, so saya explain. Okay, Okay, so guys, they already give you the information, the mean is 17. Am I right? Mean set data adalah 17. Okay, so how to find mean, guys? You must plus all the number, divide by total number. Correct? Tambah semua bahagi 5. So how you solve this, guys? You just need to find x plus y. Kamu kena cari sebutan x tambah y sahaja. That's all. Okay, so you get the answer 35, guys, after you press calculator. So what does it mean? Okay, so means that you must trial and error. Kamu tengok mana set jawapan akan bagi hasil tambah 35. Boleh faham tak? Okay, you check and see which one can give you 35. So the only answer that give you 35 is actually boy. Okay, because 15 plus 20 is 35. Okay, are you guys clear? Boleh dapat kan? So this is the concept for this question. Boy. Huh? Fast guys. Guys, is my pace okay? Just checking with the rest of you. Is it too fast? Too slow? The rest can respond a bit. Is it okay? Okay, never mind lah. I try to slow down slightly since people say got too fast already. Never mind. Okay, guys. So for this question, soalan ni. Okay, so they ask you to find the mean age. Okay, cari mean umur. Okay, so guys, first step, you must find the K. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai K. Because without the K value, you cannot find the mean. Okay, tanpa nilai K, pasti tak boleh cari mean. Okay, guys, so can you all tell me first, based on the question, apa nilai K? What is your K value? Mereka kata K adalah separuh bilangan murid berumur 6. Okay, K is half the number of children age 6. Are you sure, guys? Separuh, guys. Half. Half of the number of children age 6. Yes, 2, guys. Don't confuse, guys. Half refer to the frequency, guys. Separuh tu merujuk frequency dia, bukan umur dia setengah. Okay? It refer to the frequency half. So, age 6, the frequency is 4. So, 4 divide 2. So, that's why K is equal to 2. Okay, K sama dengan 2. Alright? So, that's your first step. Okay, so they also give you some more information. They tell you that got 2 children. Okay, mereka tambah lagi orang dalam data ni. They add. Okay, so they say age 5 and age 7. Okay, guys, so now may I know, what is the new frequency for age 5? Apa kekerapan baru bagi umur 5 ni? What is the value? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 12, guys. So you must change this to become 12. Okay, for 7, guys, what is your new frequency? Apa nilai kekerapan baru? Yes, yang ni pun tambah 1. Okay, plus 1. And then K is 2. Okay, guys? So how to find mean, guys? Oh, because they say it's half, guys. K is half of the number of children age 6. So 4 divide 2, you get 2. Okay, that's all. Okay, guys, so what is the formula for mean? Can you all tell me? For group data, how to find mean? Macam mana nak cari mean bagi soalan ni? Or kalau boleh, kamu bagi tahu saya jawapan. You tell the answer directly. A, B, C, or D. I already told just now is, they say that K is half the number of children age 6. Can you see this statement over here? K is half the number of children age 6. So age 6, you have a frequency of 4. 4 refer to the number of children age 6. So they say half. So 4 must divide by 2. So you get 2. Okay, I see danger enter the class already. I know what's the danger. The danger is Hakim. Because when he comes, right, I know who will be the first one to answer the question already. Hello, Hakim. So thank you for coming. Actually, not thank you, because no one got chance. Okay, the answer is donkey. Some more people, guys. Chuba. What is the answer? Damansara Jaya just finished extra class, is it? Hakim, I hear from your dad. Your school has extra class, so just over. Wow, you just joined my class just after an extra class. So motivated are you? If you really feel tired, you no need to join one. Don't worry. Okay, I never force one. Okay. Okay, so some more people, lagi orang, because I scared, when you join, you answer everything already. Then others don't have chance to answer the question. Some more guys, lagi orang, come on. Okay, This time you relax and look at them. Okay, yes, the answer is donkey, guys. Okay, so how to get donkey? Okay, like this. Okay, so you just need to use the formula hasil tambah fx bagi hasil tambah f. Okay, sum of fx divide sum of f, press calculator. Then you get the answer. Okay, so you just need to times all the value in the table only. That's all. All right. Okay, so one or two, guys. Satu atau dua soalan ni. Can? Okay, next one. Okay, for this question, okay, we come to ogive, guys. So they ask you to find the interquartile range. Cari julat antara kuartal. Okay, so can you guys try? This one is up to you only. If it's not so clear, right, guys, you try your best lah. Just try your best to see. If you get slightly different answer, it's okay one, because different people will see differently. Lain orang akan nampak berbeza. So you just tell me your value. Bagi tahu nilai. Jangan bagi tahu A, B, C, D. You tell me your answer of interquartile range. Then I will show the answer. Kamu bagi tahu nilai dia saja yang kamu dapat. This is the problem, guys, when come to online, because it's won't be very clear one when zoom in the picture. That's the problem. Originally it's clear, but when come to enlarge, it come not clear, D1. That's the problem. You guys just try your best to see. Cuba sehabis baik untuk lihat what is your interquartile range. Ten. Jauh. Sangat jauh. Try again. Is greater than 10, guys. The answer is greater than 10. Lebih besar dari 10. Wow. Means your eyes are working very good lah. Correct, Samantha. Perfect. The answer is perfect. Okay, the answer is 15, guys. Okay, jawapan dia adalah 15. Correct. Okay, I just came back from school. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. I know you guys have kelas tambahan. Kamu semua kelas tambahan kan? Because usually school over one something. Am I right? Unless maybe some school two something over. But majority I think is one. So if you had class tambahan, sorry lah if this one disturb you. Okay, guys. So the answer is A. Jawapan dia adalah A. Alright. So interquartile range is 15. Okay, so how to do, guys? Okay, so first step, you must find Q3. Okay, kamu kena cari Q3. Okay, so how to find Q3? Q3 is always 3 over 4 times cumulative frequency. So guys, what is the cumulative frequency here? Apa kekerapan longgokan kamu dalam graf ni? Cuba lihat. What is your cumulative? Answer? Apa kekerapan longgokan, guys? Kat sini. What is the value? Come on, guys. What is the answer? Yes. Okay, the cumulative is 20, guys. You refer to the maximum value. Okay, so the answer is 20. 20. Okay, so 3 over 4 times 20, you will get 15. Am I right? 15. Okay, so means that at 15, you must draw a straight line, touch the graph, and then go down. Okay, so I think you will be getting an answer of 59.5 exactly for Q3. Okay, Q3 kamu akan dapat 59.5. Alright, and then Q1 is how much, guys? Can you all tell me? Apa nilai Q1 for the frequency untuk kekerapan longgokan? Apa nilai dia for Q1? Remember the formula. Kamu kena ingat rumus. So you will get what answer? I don't want this value, guys. Saya tak mau nilai ni. Saya mau nilai kat sini. Over here. What is your value for Q1? Kuartil pertama. First quartile. What is your answer? Yes. Okay, 1 over 4 times cumulative, guys, which is 20. So you will get 5. Okay, so 5 you draw a straight line, lukis garis lurus, go down. Okay, so this is the value, guys. So the value is actually this one, in the middle, kat tengah-tengah. So you have 44.5. Okay, guys? So you just take 59.5 minus 44.5. So your answer, you will get 15. Okay? One or two, guys? Are you all clear? This one is better if you guys do on the hard copy. Okay? Kalau kamu buat hard copy lebih senang untuk lukis berbanding soft copy. Okay? Because soft copy is quite not so accurate. Okay? So, all right, next one, guys. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to find the x. Okay, something very similar. Macam soalan tadi. So, can anyone tell me apa nilai x kat sini? A, B, C or D? This one is Form 5, guys. Form 5, Chapter 7. Form 5, Bab 7. But if you are in Form 4, I think you might understand a bit also because it's quite similar. Form 4, Chapter 8 is quite similar. Wow, Hakim start already, yeah? Okay. Let me check and see. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, the answer is 11, guys. 11 A. All right, very good. Okay, so how to get 11? Okay, so you must say 36 plus X equal to 47. So X akan sama dengan 11. Okay, that's all. So the answer is 11. Okay, next one. Okay, so this is the method lah. How to get 11. Okay, so for this one, they ask you what is the value of the 25th percentile, guys. Apa nilai persentil ke-25? Okay, so can anyone try and see what is your answer? This one is quite clear. Graph ni lebih jelas. So you can get the answer. Okay, some more people. Lagi orang. Faster, faster. Cepat. Hakim come already. Okay, some more people. Okay, so Samantha, Hakim, Mary, all correct. Okay, yes, the answer is 15. Teresa, Tanasakti, Vinjana, yes, all correct. Okay, so the answer is boy, guys. RM 15. Okay, so how to get, guys? What does 25 percentile mean? Persentil ke-25 maksud apa? 25% kan? Okay, 25%. So 25% mean what, guys? Is 25 over 100. Am I right? Equal to 25 over 100. So 25 over 100 times what? Times the cumulative, guys. Always remember you have to times the maximum value or cumulative frequency. Okay, kekerapan longgokan. So you will get the answer is 15. Okay, 15. So kamu lukis garis ke 15, sentuh graf, lepas tu tarik ke bawah. So you see that your answer is actually boy, 15. Okay, senang kan, guys? Very easy, right? Very straightforward, sangat asas. Okay, so the answer is boy. Okay, next one. Okay, so for this question, okay, this one you might take some time, akan ambil masa. So you try and see how to find the x. Macam mana cari nilai x? When you get the answer, direct share. Huh? Bila dapat jawapan, terus share. So anyone? Answer? Jawapan? Come on. A, B, C, D. Anyone bila nampak soalan ni tak tahu macam mana nak buat? Cuba komen. When anyone see this type of question, they don't know how to do. Blank. Very hard, guys. Later I show the working. Let people answer first. I know, Hakim, very hard for you to get a wrong answer. Am I right? Hard for you to get a wrong answer. That's what you mean. Joy was, I don't know. Never mind. The rest, guys, yang lain, cuba bagi jawapan dulu. I want to see. Hakim, you also can give lah. I don't restrict you already. You just give. If not, it'll take very long time. Akan ambil masa sangat lama. Then cannot finish in time. So anyone, guys? Jawapan. You guys must know, 2 minutes maximum for every objective question in maths. 2 minit maximum, bukan minimum. Maximum 2 minutes. Okay, so I think it's already 2 minutes. So guys, A, B, C, D. Guys, if you don't know the answer, right, you tembak lah. Okay, kalau tak tahu jawapan, tembak saja. No need to worry one. Just tembak. The answer is better than no answer. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's check. Okay, so let me see. Teresa, Samantha, Navanita, Hakim, and then who else? Mary, all correct. Okay, so the answer is going to be donkey, guys. 6. Okay, so for those that tembak, very sorry lah. You're not lucky. Okay, so how to do, guys? Macam mana buat soalan ni? Okay, guys, first step. When you find mean in group data, apa info yang kamu perlukan? What must you find first? If you are talking about mean, can I direct use this value, guys? Adakah saya boleh guna nilai ni secara terus? Yes or no? Very good. Cannot, guys. Tak boleh. So what must you find? What is the quantity you must find from this information? All of this, one by one. Yes, you must find the midpoint, guys. Titik tengah. Okay, so how to find midpoint? Very simple. Take the lowest value plus highest value divide by 2. Okay, ambil ambil nilai terkecil tambah nilai terbesar bahagi 2 untuk tahu titik tengah. Itu saja. Okay, you guys must understand, this is your formula for mean. Am I right? So this x, right, over here, nilai x sebenarnya merujuk titik tengah. It refers to your midpoint actually, your x. Okay, you must understand that. Okay, bukan nilai yang ni ataupun yang ni. It does not refer to the lower limit or upper limit. Okay, understand, guys? So always find midpoint. So your answer will be donkey. Very simple. Okay, just press calculator only. Okay, so this is how you solve, guys. For those study yang tak tahu, okay, so this is how you do it. Try to see the working. Kalau ada soalan, kamu type 2. If you understand the working, you type 1. Okay, Mary, may I know what is your question that you want to ask from here? Don't worry. Sometimes, guys, you might think, like, your question is like very stupid and don't make sense. Never mind. Just ask only. Sometimes the stupid question is actually a very good question one. Okay, jangan fikir soalan ada soalan bodoh. Semua soalan adalah soalan bagus. Tak ada soalan bodoh. Okay? Whenever you have a question, it's something very important. It's not important. So Mary, what is your question here? What part you don't understand? Understand already. When see the working, you understand already, right? So next time you must try to solve on your own also this kind of question, because in exam you must do the working. Am I right? Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, guys. So we go on. Next question. Okay, so we come back to the ojaif, guys. Okay, same type of question. They ask you to count the interquartile range. Cari julat antara kuartil. Okay, so you guys try to see lah. Okay, cuba nampak. Let me try to write clearer. Okay, this one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So the question is find the IQR. Cari julat antara kuartil. This question, right, guys, if you get a different answer, it's okay. You just share to me. Because I also get a different answer. Saya pun dapat jawapan berbeza dari apa yang dinyatakan dalam jawapan. Okay? I get a different answer one. So you don't need to say A, B, C, D. You tell me the value of your answer. Then I check. Kamu bagi tahu nilai dia. I think this question got some problem with the answer. Guys, just want to ask about the ojaif. Any one of you here struggle to draw ojaif? Siapa rasa macam tak boleh lukis ojaif ni? Okay, later got question. I will show you how to score in the subjective, how to draw the ojaif. Okay, 24 too large. IQR lah guys. Kita sekarang nak cari julat antara kuartil. IQR. Jangan bagi tahu A, B, C, D. Jawapan bukan keempat-empat ni. Kamu kena bagi tahu nilai dia. Sebab saya dah cuba. I already tried already. The answer is none of this. So you try and see carefully. Slightly too large. Is lower a bit. 7. Okay, very close already. Very, very close. Try again. Slightly only. You're almost there already. Anyone else? Come on, come on. 7 is already the closest so far. 6 too far. 6 too far, guys. Higher than 7. Lebih besar dari oh, you guys start to tikam, right? Guys, don't tikam, you must count. Kena kira dari graph. Okay, the answer is actually I get 8.5, guys. Okay, 8.5. So the closest answer I can say is A lah. Okay, jawapan paling dekat adalah A. Tapi tak tepat lah. It's not accurate. Okay, so guys, if you try and see, this will be your working. Ini adalah jalan kira dia. Okay, but don't worry. In subjective, right? Kertas 2 tak ada satu jawapan saja. There is not only one answer one. There can be many answer for your IQR. Okay, because setiap orang punya graph berbeza kan. Okay, all your graph are different. So don't worry. They will give a range. Okay, akan ada julat. So maybe all your answers still can. For those say 8, for those say 9, still can 1. Okay, don't worry. Okay, guys? So, understand? Boleh dapat jalan kira dia? So, this is how you always do. How to find the IQR for ojaif. Okay, so 1 or 2, guys? Satu atau dua? 1. Okay, very good. Okay, so we come to the last objective question. Okay, so this one, we're talking about histogram. Okay, so this question is they ask you percentage of time taken by runner more than 40 seconds. Mereka nak cari peratusan jumlah pelari yang ambil masa lebih dari 40 saat. So you guys try and see what will be your answer. Yang ni ada jawapan. You comment A, B, C or D. Okay, anyone? Don't know ah? Guys, very easy lah this question. Sangat senang. Okay guys, how to find percentage guys? Tell me a general concept. How do you find percentage? Macam mana cari peratus? Darab 100% kan kat akhir. This is your general formula. You will always times 100% at the end. So now guys, what do you compare in your fraction? When you want to have percentage, you definitely must have fraction. Am I right? Untuk ada peratus, kena ada pecahan. So what is the quantity are you comparing over here for your fraction? Is it the time or the frequency? Adakah kuantiti yang kamu bandingkan sekarang masa atau kekerapan? Cuba bagi tahu saya untuk cari peratusan ni. Which one guys? Yes, that's the concept lah guys. Something over all times 100. Yes, the answer is frequency. Okay, so guys, this is how you approach the question. So now you must know what is the frequency you feel on top here and what is the frequency you feel on top at the bottom. So anyone? A, B, C, D? What is the answer? They say more than 40 seconds. So means you can refer the graph already. Okay, more than 40 seconds means these two only lah. Dua ni sahajalah yang tengah dibincangkan. Okay, so anyone? Jawapan guys, come on. A, B, C or D? Don't be scared to share your answer. Hello guys, have you all get the answer? Yes or no? If you get, you respond yes. If never get, you respond don't know how to do. Huh? Really 20, yeah? Let me check and see. 10 plus 7 plus 18 plus 15. Nope. Hakim, first time you're wrong, huh? Wow. So guys, try carefully. Try first. A, B, C or D. Takkan semua orang tahu kan? Tak tahu kan? 24 people over here. Don't tell me everyone here don't know. Correct, right? Yes. The answer is donkey, guys. 34%. Okay, so how to find, guys? You must find the number of runner greater than 40 seconds. Okay, guys, I tell you all an advice. When you tembak, right, guys, you must tembak logic. Do you all understand me? When tembak also must have logic. Betul? Not you just tembak. Tembak also must have a reason behind why you choose that answer. Do you understand me? So you can see, right, guys, okay, you just compare the number. Let's say you don't know the concept. Okay, you see this one is 10, right? This one is 7. This one is 18. This one is 15. So guys, definitely this one, the percentage, if you think and see logic, 17. Okay, so if you think and see, I know you say 17%, right? But that one confirm wrong. Okay, guys, 17 as a number does not refer to 17%. You must know that. You must see whether the total is 100 or not. Adakah jumlah orang kat sini 100 ke, guys? No, right? The total number of people here is not 100. Okay, it's less than 100. So definitely 17% confirm wrong already. Before I count also, I know A is wrong. Can you understand now, Mary, how I eliminate A? Do you understand? Because 17% mean that 17 people out of 100. 17 orang dari 100 orang jumlah. Tapi kat sini bukan 100 orang jumlah. Okay? So that's the concept you must use. So guys, how to count? So you just take the ones that are greater than 40 seconds, which is 10 plus 7, and then divide total, bagi jumlah, times 100%. Okay, then you will get the answer 34%. Are you all clear? Can get it? So this is the concept. Okay, so one or two? Satu atau dua? So these are all the objective questions lah I compiled for this chapter. Okay, so now we come to the structure. Kertas 2. Okay guys, so for paper 2, more on drawing. Lebih banyak tentang lukisan. Less calculation already. Okay, so guys, for this question, they ask you to draw the box plot. Okay, so kamu kena lukis plot kotak based on the ogive. Okay, guys, so may I know what are the 5 information you need to have in a box plot? 5 informasi yang kena ada. Can you all comment? What are the 5 information needed to draw a box plot? Maksudnya 5 titik lah, 5 points. What must you plot? So first, can anyone tell? If you can type all the 5 one shot, lebih bagus. Type all the 5. Yes, very good. Okay, 2 more. 2 more, guys. 2 lagi. Quartile things mean Q1, Q2, and Q3. Uni. Quartile got 3 type. Okay, Q1, Q2, Q3. Yes. Maximum value. Median kita tak plot guys. Dalam plot kotak. Yes, maximum, minimum. Very good. Correct. Okay, yes. Okay. Cumulative frequency, no. Guys, in box plot, we don't plot the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is only in our ogive. Can you see, guys? Kekerapan longgokan. Alright? Yes. Nilai maximum and minimum, correct. Okay? So you must identify your minimum and maximum over here. So may I know, guys, what is your minimum value based on the ogive? Apa nilai minimum? Can you all tell me? Very easy. You can direct see from the graph. Yes. So the lowest point. So the answer is 1.5 minimum. Okay, guys, maximum. Can you all tell me? This one I must zoom out. Okay. So what is the maximum, guys? Nilai maximum. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. 15.5, guys. You must refer this point. This one. The largest point. Can you see? It goes down until 15.5. Okay. So the maximum is 15.5. Boleh? Okay. So now, guys, you must find your Q1, Q2, and Q3. So how to find, guys? Same method, right? So what is your cumulative frequency here, guys? Apa kekerapan longgokan? Soalan ni? Anyone? Cumulative? You should have 200. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so Q3, sorry, just now those who say median, you're correct. Okay, sorry, guys, tadi orang cakap plot median, you're right. Okay, because median is Q2. Okay, you're right. Okay, median you can plot also in box plot. Okay, so for Q3, you must take 3 over 4 times 200. Okay, so your answer will be 150. Okay, so 150, you draw a line, lukis garis, and then you go down. Okay, this one must be careful a bit lah, guys, because it's very, very small. So you must be accurate. Okay, so I think it's in the center. Okay, dia kat tengah-tengah, guys. So you try to read the value lah. I think it will get, let me see. You should get 9 point. Okay, you will get 10.3 if not mistaken. Okay, for your Q3. Okay. Wait, let me see. Sorry, Q3, right? Let me see. 12, 11.7, 11.9. Okay, you will get 12.1, guys, for Q3. 12.1. You guys can try and see lah using this graph. Okay, but it's quite hard because it's very, very small one. Okay, so you will get around there. I try my best. Okay, so I think you will get around the 12.1. Okay, if you see here, you will get near 12. Okay, 13.5, 2 divide 10. Yes, you will get around 12.1. Okay, because the scale is 0.2. Am I right? So this one 11.7, 11.9. So the next one is 12.1. Am I right? So your answer is 12.1. Okay, understand? Q3, you should get 12.1. Then you just repeat the same step for Q2 and also Q1. Boleh, guys? Kamu semua boleh buatkan yang ni. This one you guys must try hard copy one. Then only you will get the correct answer one. Okay, soft copy, maybe sometime you will get wrong answer. Okay, so how the box plot look like? Okay, so it look something like this. Okay, so guys, okay, so you read for me. Okay, so based on this box plot, guys, can you all tell me what is your Q1 value? Apa nilai Q1 berdasarkan plot kota ni? You tell me. So I see whether you know how to read box plot or not. Wait, sorry. Wait for a while. Okay, so you all tell me, what is your Q1, guys? Anyone? check your scale properly before you give the answer. Wow, every time it lari when I zoom in. Wait guys, I try to go back. Wait sorry guys, it always lari. Okay, let me check and see. You should get, nope, not 7.9. Try again. Nope. Guys, see carefully the scale. Yes. Navanita, correct. Okay, you should get 8.3, guys. Guys, you must understand one small box. Wow, Hakim, you're wrong. Wow, I get shocked a bit. Always when you answer wrong, I 0.3. Okay, correct. 8.3, yes. Okay, one small box, the scale is 0.2. Okay, means every single small box you add 0.2. Okay, why 0.2? Because 9.5 minus 7.5, the gap is 2. Am I right? Beza antara 9.5 dan 7.52. 2 bahagi 10 kotak kecil, 0.2. Okay, 2 over 10 is 0.2. Alright? Okay, so can you all tell me, Q2, what is your value? Median kamu. Okay, over here guys, better put a dot. Okay, at your median point, you just plot a dot also. Kena letak titik kat situ. Okay, jangan lukis garis sahaja. Must draw a dot one. Okay. So anyone? Median? Apa nilai dia? Yes, 10.3 guys. Mary, you see that there are 4 small box. Am I right? From 9.5 until the red color dot. 4 small box, right? Okay, so 4 small box means you must take 4 times 0.2. Correct? So 4 times 0.2, you get 0.8. 0.8 plus 9.5, 10.3. Do you understand? This is the concept, how we find the answer. Okay? So you should get 10.3. Okay. So clear, guys? So how they mark your box plot? Okay, so you must have the all 5 positions correct. Okay, kelima-lima nilai yang ditanda betul, kamu dapat 2 markah. Okay, guys, let's say you make one point you plot wrongly. Kamu plot, let's say Q3 salah. Okay, so 2 markah akan jadi 1 markah lah. Okay, like that. Okay, so 2 markah is everything correct, you know. Okay, semua kelima-lima kena betul. Okay, so next one, the last mark is overall. Overall box plot, the shape is okay. Okay, kalau seluruh kotak tu sempurna, okay, so then you get full mark. Are you all clear? Can get it? So 3 mark box plot. Okay, 3 markah. Okay, so now they ask you to state the distribution, guys. Apa taburan? So can you all tell me what is the answer? So how to describe the distribution of data here? Okay, some more? Lagi orang? I want more answer. What is your distribution shape here, guys? Macam mana taburan kamu? This one, I think you guys learn in Form 4 Chapter 8 also, if not mistaken. Anyone? Come on. Lagi orang, 23 people over here. What is your distribution shape? Apa bentuk taburan kamu? Okay, some more? Lagi orang? Guys, think carefully before you answer. Fikir betul-betul. Think carefully. Is it right skewed or left skewed? The answer is actually left skewed, guys. Okay, pencong ke kiri, guys. Why? Because you see the tail here is longer compared to this. Nampak panjang dia, guys. Look at the tail. Left hand side is longer. So left skewed, guys. Okay, lihat ekor dia. Okay, so the answer is left skewed. Okay, so if you want to compare the box, actually the left hand side is also bigger. Can you see, guys? Yang ni lebih besar berbanding yang ni. Betul? See carefully. Okay, you can see the distance. This is longer compared to this one. Am I right? So definitely left skewed lah. Confirm pencong ke kiri. Okay, so your answer will be left skewed. Okay, because the left hand side of the box plot is bigger compared to the right hand side. Oh, kamu kena check mata dah ni. Guys, anyone see like this, please go for eye test already. Confirm. I telling you all already. You must go for eye test already, this one. This one very clear, guys. Sangat clear. It's not the one that very controversial question. This one is very clear one. So you must count the box. I did last month. Okay, do this month also. Every single month must do one. How to identify in the graph? How to identify? You mean left skewed or right skewed, is it? You have to refer to the box plot. You have to refer to box plot to determine whether it's left skewed or right skewed. Okay, so you see over here, the length here is longer, right? Okay, this one longer than this one. Okay, so first point, it tell you it's left skewed already. Okay, because the left hand side is longer. Okay, second point, you check the box, the size. Okay, the size is determined by the length. Okay, so this length is longer than this length. Am I right? So it's left skewed. Are you clear? Very simple only. Check the tail and check the size of the box. Two criteria, guys. Check dua-dua. All right. So then you will get the answer. All right. So the answer, so total you get 4 marks over here. Okay, guys. 1 or 2? Satu atau dua? Are you all clear for question 1? Okay, so we go next question. Okay, this one they ask you to count, guys. Kena kira. So I give you all some time. They ask you to find the variance for this question. So this one is the type of question you guys can score quite easily, I guess. Boleh score 4 markah dengan mudah because very straightforward. If you know the method, just don't avoid careless avoid careless mistake only. Then you will get the right answer. And also remember, give your answer to 2 DP. Okay, 2 titik berpuluhan, guys. Be careful. Sometimes you might give extra, so still wrong, although your answer is correct. Okay, guys, maybe you tell me how long you need to solve this kind of question. Berapa lama masa kamu semua nak untuk selesaikan soalan macam ni? Can you all comment? Like question 2. Usually how long you guys take? Give me an estimate bagi anggaran masa. Is it 5 minutes, 5 minutes, or 4 minutes, 3 minutes? I think 3 is the minimum. Am I right? 3 minimum, 5 maximum. Okay? Kalau lebih dari 5, you're quite slow already. Okay, 5 minutes maximum one. Guys, do you all know this type of question come out in which section or not? Kamu semua tahu form 5 bab 7 ni keluar dalam bab mana? Do you all know? What chapter you think this kind of question usually come out? Sorry, what section? Yes, the answer is B, guys. Usually they like to ask this chapter in section B, paper 2. Okay, so you must be prepared to answer. Sebab yang ni soalan wajib. It's a must. Okay, paper 2, section B. They'll ask you to draw graph. Pasti akan suruh lukis graph. Definitely. Okay, either ogive, histogram, or frequency polygon. These 3 you must be prepared already. Usually the pattern is like that, I see. It does not mean 100% you will see this dalam SPM. Bukan maksudnya 100%, mungkin 80% confident soalan ni akan keluar. This type of question. Okay, from Form 5 Chapter 7. This one is more on Section A, bahagian A, because only 4 mark. 4 mark usually is Section A. Or Section C also can. Okay, Section C, small part of the question. That one also can. So anyone? Dah dapat jawapan? Or is it too fast? I ask you. I want you guys to try. That's why I wait for you guys. because when you guys try, only you know whether you can do or not. Let me see. Uni, that answer is mean. Am I right? Question asks variance, 50.2 is the mean. Continue some more. You have to continue your working until you get variance. But you're on the right track already. So mean is 50.2 guys, for this data. For anyone trying, kamu sepatutnya dapat mean equal to 50.2. Very good. Okay, guys, your final answer should get 272.91. Okay, itu adalah nilai variance. Boleh, guys? Can you all understand? So this is the working step. Okay, so always first step, remember find the midpoint. Cari titik tengah. Okay, then guna rumus. Okay, sum of fx over sum of f. Okay, to find the mean. Okay, then after you find the mean, find the variance. Cari variance kamu. Okay, you must do sum of fx square. Okay, okay guys, this one, right, be careful. Sum of fx square, right, kat mana kamu kuasa dua? Do you kuasa dua the midpoint or frequency? May I know? This one. Kamu akan, you will power to the midpoint or frequency. Yes. Always remember guys, the square is for the midpoint. Okay, kuasa dua untuk titik tengah sahaja, bukan frequency. Okay, you can see the formula itself, Okay, they already write here, x square. The square belong to the x. Okay, so that's why it's x square. All right. So you should get 272.91. Okay, clear guys? You just refer formula 1. No need to memorize guys. You see x square. Am I right? So the square actually is for the midpoint. Understand? Simple only. No need to memorize. Like that only. Okay. Next one guys. Soalan berikutnya. So can you all try? This one is a different type of graph. They ask you to count the standard deviation. Cari sisi antar y. Okay, so this one also take time. So try and see. Cuba. After this, we are going to discuss the graphs. 3 type of graph. I will show you all. Histogram, ogive, and frequency polygon. 3 type of question. 3 jenis soalan. After this question. Guys, I just want to know. Usually in maths paper 2, right? You guys start with section A. Am I right? Kamu semua mula matematik kertas 2 dengan bahagian A kan? Because certain cikgu suruh buat bahagian B dan C dulu, baru bahagian A. Some teacher asked to do BC first, then come back to A. So I don't know whether you use that method or not. Because B and C is longer. So that's why they asked to do that first. Then come back to the easy one. Wait guys. Paksi X tu titik tengah. Bukan. Paksi X tu adalah sempadan atas, sempadan bawah. Okay? Because you can see 0.5 guys. Bila nampak 0.5 dan kamu nampak gap dia selalu sama kan? Tambah 5 sampai ke akhir. So maksudnya yang tu adalah sempadan atas bawah. Okay? Kalau mereka lukis midpoint kan, sangat senang dah. Betul? Sebab rumus tu kamu kena gantikan midpoint. Betul? So mereka takkan bagi sangat straightforward macam tu. Mereka akan suruh kamu cari midpoint dari graf ni. Okay? So hopefully all the 18 of you are trying the question tengah buat soalan. Jangan tidur. Usually when I wait like this, right guys, I scared, because some people will sleep already behind the computer. Am I right? Akan ada orang tidur di sebalik komputer. Bila saya senyap macam ni. Tak clear. Guys, oh yeah, the frequency, right? Okay, let me label the frequency. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay? Now better, right? Now should be okay already. That's why, guys. Usually with this type of chapter, right, I will encourage you guys print out the notes. The notes I send in the group, right, it's better if you all print out and then buat di atas kertas tu. Lebih senang berbanding kamu lihat kat sini dan selesaikan. Betul? When I share in the group, it's better that you guys print out one because it'll be much easier for you all. Lebih senang. Bukan. WhatsApp, guys, not Telegram. Mary, you are not in my group, is it? Bukan dalam group WhatsApp saya ke? Oh, okay. I give my number to you. Okay. So you PM me later, then I add you to my group. Okay? Sesiapa kat sini yang tak ada dalam group WhatsApp saya boleh PM juga. Okay, nanti saya add. Alright. So anyone? Have you all get the answer? Dah dapat jawapan? Standard deviation. Sisian PY. Hakim, you are still here or not? Hakim Ahmad. Oh, still here. Are you trying the question or just relaxing? Oh, trying also. Okay. Trying and relaxing. Very professional like you. Confirm 8 plus a day like this one. If people can relax during my class. But it's okay. If you're really a very good student, then I allow you to relax. No worries. Kalau saya tahu kamu akan dapat A plus, it's okay. You do anything you want. As long you get A plus for yourself, it's good already. My main aim is actually focused on the weaker student. Orang yang selalu fail, selalu gagal, or average marks. That is my main focus, not the good student. Okay? But of course, I have good student also, normally. Try and see. Must be hardworking, guys, to find the answer, no matter how hard it is. First step, you must always remember the formula, guys. Kena ingat rumus. Okay, the formula is given, am I right? In the front of paper 2. So you can refer actually the formula. Boleh lihat rumus. Okay, so standard deviation, you guys will use this formula. Am I right? Kamu akan guna rumus ni. Okay, this one. So you must think of this formula when you see this question. Okay, so means that you must find the mean first. Am I right? Kamu kena cari mean, lepas tu cari EFX square. Second step. Okay, and then third step, you solve for standard deviation. Okay, this one is the last step. So this is how you must think in the exam. Kena fikir macam ni. Cari mean, cari EFX square, cari CCN PY. Something like that. Okay guys, siapa-siapa yang dapat jawapan kat sini, can you all share? Anyone who get already or still trying? Siapa kat sini tak tahu macam mana nak buat? Who don't know how to solve this question? 4 marks, you know guys. This question, 4 markah. Do you guys want me to show the answer, Adi? Nak saya tunjuk jawapan ke? Ataupun masih nak mencuba? Do you all still want to try? Yes or no? Kamu semua comment in the chat box. Do you all want me to direct show? Or you all want to try some more? So Hakim, do you get the answer, Adi? Tak dapat jawapan? Since you're always the fastest, so I'm waiting for your answer. Not yet, halfway or where? Are you ending your working already? Okay, we have an answer. Salah. Wrong. I rasa ada kesilapan Choi. I think got some careless mistake. Because jawapan dia dekat. Tapi salah juga. Okay, very good. Teresa Chan, correct. Okay, your answer is 8.35, guys. You should get 8.35. Okay, so macam mana jawab? Okay, so first step, you must find the mean. Okay, so how to find the mean? Sum of fx over sum of f. Ini adalah rumus mean. Okay, so you use this formula. Okay, second step, find the sum of fx square. Okay, cari yang ni, this one. Okay, so guys, remember to square the midpoint. Kamu kena kuasa 2 titik tengah sahaja. So means that, example, you must take 47 square, 52 square, 57 square, 62 square, something like this. Okay? And then kamu guna rumus lah untuk sisian piawai. You use your formula. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, guys? 1 or 2, guys? 1 atau 2? Are you all clear for this question? If clear, we proceed. 1 or 2. Okay. All right. So now we come to the section B type of question, guys. 9 markah, usually. If this question come out in section B, usually 9 mark. Okay, so this one you guys really must score 1. Must score 9 mark. Okay, because it's not that hard. Tak sangat susah. Okay, guys, I always will tell you all one thing. This part A, right? Bahagian A soalan ni is the most dangerous part of the question. Do you all know why, guys? Kenapa bahagian A ni sangat berisiko? What is your reason, you think? Because if you complete the table wrongly, kalau kamu isi nilai dalam jadual salah, automatically jawapan B akan salah. Automatically your graph will be salah. So guys, can you see how many mark you lose? 4 mark gone, 3 mark gone, this one also gone. So this is the danger of this type of question, guys. So untuk bahagian A, bila kamu nampak soalan suruh lengkapkan jadual, hati-hati sangat. Jangan buat try. Don't make careless mistake. Because you have 40 numbers here, guys. You're going to fill in 40 number inside the table. So if your frequency you write wrongly, gone. Habis. Even one frequency wrong is gone already. Okay? So make sure you're careful when see this kind of question. Okay, so now let us see the table. Okay, so table is like this. Okay, they already give you this in the exam. Okay, mereka bagi yang ni. Okay, so it means that you must fill in the frequency. Okay, guys. So very simple. Okay, so you just need to refer to your data. Okay, 10 to 14. Okay, so now I test you all. 10 sampai 14. Can you all tell me how many numbers you see over here? Now I'm testing your eyesight. Saya tengah uji penglihatan kamu. So 10 to 14, guys. May I know how many numbers in this range you see? What is the frequency? 10 sampai 14. Teresa, your number 1 is understand or the number of numbers? I think it's the earlier chat. Okay, guys. Your eyes still very good. Okay, the answer is 2. Okay, lucky. I thought you said 1. Okay, guys. So can you see number 11 and number 12? Okay, correct. Okay, so next class, guys. 15 to 19. May I know what is your frequency? Apa kekerapan kamu? This is the time I catch anyone whose eyesight is not so good or careless. Because this kind of question look very easy. Nampak sangat senang. But also very easy to make mistake. Senang nak salah. There, guys. 4, 5 dah keluar. Salah lah. Kalau macam tu habis. Okay, yes guys. The answer is 6. Okay, careful lah guys. 15 to 19. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5, 6. Boleh guys? So 6. Okay, next one. 20 to 24 guys. May I know how many number? 20 sampai 24. What is your frequency? So how to know whether you guys use up all the numbers? Macam mana tahu kamu dah guna semua nombor, kamu bulatkan. So when you circle means that you already counted that number. So that you don't count again. Tak terkira lebih pula. Okay, yes, correct. The answer is 8 guys. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This one is wrong. Sorry. 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How come I get 6? Did I miss out anything? 6, 6. Where is it? 7, 8. Can be very deceiving, you know, guys. Even I also see. I thought 6 only. Okay, must be very careful one, because the numbers are like illusion, you know. It can deceive you. Okay. So next one, guys. 25 to 29. May I know how many? 25 sampai 29. Apa frekuensi dia? Wah, so fast Oh, ada orang tanya. Hakim, where got 20? Wrong lah. Oh, just now answer. Sorry. Boleh I tahu ni? Oh, Form 5 bab 7 guys. Form 5 chapter 7. Okay, very good Akila. Jawapan dia 10. Okay, so you see 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Sorry. How come 9? Oh yeah, 10. Sorry, 10. Okay, 10. Okay, guys? Correct. Okay, next one. 30 to 34, guys. 30 sampai 34. How many number you have? Yeah. Berapa nombor, guys? Yes. How you guys get 14? 14. Oh, all the numbers come out. Guys, 9 is the answer. Frequency nombor dalam jumlah ni adalah 9. Okay? So, you have 32, 31, 33, 30, 31, 31, 31, 30, 31, and then 34. Okay? I think that's all, right? Itu saja kan? Am I right, guys? I think correct. Yeah. Okay, so you should have 9 numbers. 9 nombor. Okay, guys? Can? Boleh ya? Oh, you accidentally count the 35. Never mind. Okay, so next one, guys. 35 to 39. How many numbers do you all have? Okay, wait guys. Let me just check back the answer given. Betul ke 4, guys? Let me see. 35 to 39. 1, 2, 3, 4. 35 to 39. Yeah, it's actually 4, right? But answer scheme gave 5. 35 to 39. Yeah, I think the answer is 4, guys. Okay, maybe answer scheme wrong. Okay, but the problem is they say there are 40 students here, you know. 40. 5A. Apa maksud 5A? Tak faham. 5 ke? Mana 5, guys? Lain-lain semua jawab 4 saja nampak. Mana satu lagi nombor? 30. Now it's 35 to 39 guys. 35 sampai 39. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 7 jangan bagi saya takut lah. 4 saja guys. Only got 4, you know. 35 to 39. Kamu sengaja letak ke? Yeah. Okay. So jawapan dia macam ni. Okay, this one I think is 4 lah guys. It's not 5. Okay, this one should be 4. Okay. So this is your table. Okay, now they ask you to count the standard deviation, guys. Cari sisian piawai. Okay, so kamu semua cuba. Try and see what is your standard deviation. Okay, I think never mind lah. I show you guys. Since you guys count many times already, kamu dah cuba banyak kali, I direct go to the answer lah. Okay, so for standard deviation, make sure you use this step. Okay, find the mean first. Cari mean. Okay, this one change, become 4. Okay, and then the answer also will be different, I think, if not mistaken. Let me count now, guys, because the value just now is wrong already. Plus 22 times 11. This is the problem sometimes with answer scheme, guys. Answer scheme also can be wrong. Wow, so long must do the step. Hold on for a while, guys, so that I can get the correct answer. If anyone can count for me also, you help me count after you modify the answer. The problem with this kind of chapter is it's very long. Must key in one by one. Now our total frequency is 39, you know, guys. You must take note. Okay, never mind lah. I think I count right. It will take until the end one because it's very, very long. Okay, guys, so you know that the answer is not 6.97 lah. I don't want to waste time also counting because it's very long one. I must write down one by one slowly. Okay, so just see the step. Okay, nampak langkah dia saja. Okay, so you guys understand, right? You just modify the value later only. Okay, so we continue, guys, to the graph. Okay, kita lihat graph. Okay, guys, so now they ask you to draw a frequency polygon, guys. Okay, so now may I ask, x-axis, what information you will plot? Paksi X untuk frequency polygon. Kamu guna sempalan atas bawah atau midpoint? Which one? Do you use upper boundary, lower boundary, or midpoint for your x-axis frequency polygon? Anyone? Try to answer. What do you use as your label? Okay, can? Boleh guna midpoint? No problem. Okay, can? But of course, you must add an extra column here, okay, from your table, okay, to plot the midpoint. Or if you can see directly, also no problem. Can. Okay, so your graph should look something like this. Okay. Wait, guys. Did they ask frequency polygon? How come the answer give this one? Wait, let me check and see, guys. Is it the correct question? Correct? Okay, never mind. I think maybe they make a mistake. Guys, change the question to histogram. Okay, it should be a histogram. Okay, so you guys must use your lower limit, upper limit, or the midpoint if you want. Okay, so over here they use midpoint to plot. Okay, titik tengah, all the midpoint. Okay, to give your histogram. Okay, are you all clear, guys? Any questions on your histogram that you want to ask me? Ada apa-apa soalan? This one, of course, you change to 4, okay, guys? It's not 5 because just now the frequency changed. Okay? So this should be your answer. Ini adalah jawapan dia. Can, guys? Yes or no? 1 or 2? No problem, huh? Okay. So one more thing, guys, I asked over here. If you notice, right, guys, your scale, okay, is 5. Am I right? But over here, your scale is 12. Am I right? So how to avoid this? Macam mana nak elakkan yang ni? Sebab yang ni tak seragam kan? It's not symmetrical. So how? Tak ada. Kelas dah untuk petang dah. Saya dah tukar dari malam ke petang. Okay. So kat sini, can anyone tell me what is the value here, guys? Based on the graph, what will you get? Answer. You should have 7. Am I right? Nilai ni adalah 7. So guys, what will be this value? Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai ni? Try to think and see. What will be that value? Bukan. Guys, cannot be 0, 1. If it's 0, right? Tengok jarak dia, guys. 7. Lepas tu yang ni 5. Tak seragam. It's not uniform. 2 ah. Cannot be 2, guys. See carefully, guys. 2 box, 5 unit. 2 kotak, 5 unit. So now 1 kotak sahaja. So 1 kotak, how many unit, guys? Should be 2.5. Am I right? Because 5, you must divide by 2. 2.5. So 7, you must minus 2.5 because you're going to the left. So actually the answer is 5.5, guys, over here. It doesn't mean that this one is always your origin, guys. Wrong concept. Tak semestinya yang penjuru tu adalah asalan. It can be different also. Okay, depends how you label. Okay, so usually, right, when I draw, I will do something like this. I will extend the y-axis and also the x-axis to make it clear. Okay, so what I do is, this one, for the x-axis, I will label 5.5 over here. Do you guys understand me? Because I want the uniform scale. Saya nak skala seragam. So I label that 5.5. Okay, and then on the top here, I label 0. Do you all understand me? Boleh faham? So guys, when you label like this, right, the 0 only belongs to the y-axis. Kosong hanya untuk paksi y. You must understand. Okay, if I put the 0 here, kalau saya letak kosong kat sini, 0 is for the x and also the y-axis. Can you see the difference? Boleh nampak perbezaan? Any of your teacher ask you to use this method or not? Siapa-siapa cikgu suruh guna kaedah ni tak? Anyone? Yes or no? Or first time you hear this method? Pertama kali. Okay, so first time you hear from me lah. Okay, so bagus. So kamu boleh guna yang ni juga. Okay, you can use this if you want. No problem also. Okay, kalau kamu nak pastikan skala tu seragam lah. You want to maintain a uniform scale. Okay, are you guys clear? One, sorry, what I supposed to ask? 1 or 2? Wait, guys, this value is not 5.5. Hold on, I think I made a mistake here. Okay, it should be actually 7. This one here should be 7, guys. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, wait. Correct. I see wrongly. Ayo, the box also like so confusing. Correct. It's 5.5. This one is 7. Over here is 7. Okay, clear, guys? So when you want to label like this, make sure you put the 0 on the y-axis. 4.5, yeah? Wait, let me check and see. 17 minus 12 over 10. 0.5 times 5, 7 minus... Oh yeah, correct. Sorry, guys, I minus wrongly. It's supposed to be 4.5. Thank you for correcting me. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, guys? Jelas? Are you all clear? So this is how you can draw your histogram. Apa confused, Akila? What are you confused? Confused tentang skala ke? Jangan confused. Kamu lihat kat sini, Akila. Kat sini 5 kan jarak dia. 5 sampai ke akhir. Okay, so kalau kamu nak label kat sini, kat paling kiri punya nilai, yang ni, kamu kena kira kan? Betul. So, setengah kotak. 2 kotak, 5 unit. So, yang ni 1 kotak saja. 1 kotak. So, 5 unit bahagi 2. 2.5. So, 2.5 kamu kena tolak dengan 7. So, kamu dapat 4.5. Betul? So, that's why labeling kat situ mula dengan 4.5. Boleh faham? Can understand? Sebab kita nak skala seragam tu. We want to maintain a uniform scale. We don't want suddenly from 0 jump to 12. Okay, kalau kamu label kosong kat sini, tak label apa-apa yang ni, kosong 12. 12, 7, guys. Mana ada skala seragam? 12 unit and then suddenly 5 unit. Where got sense, guys? No sense, right? Am I right? Teacher, why need tolak 7? Saya tak kata tolak 7. 7 tolak 2.5. Okay? Because 2 kotak, 5 unit. So 1 kotak is 5 over 2, 2.5. So 7 minus 2.5, you will get 4.5. Understand? Clear, right? So this is how you get the 4.5 here. Okay? Can? 1 or 2 guys? So this is how you draw your histogram. Ini cara dia. Okay, and then make sure you label your X and Y axis, frequency and also midpoint. Kalau kamu guna sempalan atas, sempalan bawah, you label also upper boundary, lower boundary, if you use that method. Okay, so how they mark guys, or how they give the mark? Okay, usually it's 4 mark for any type of drawing, histogram, frequency, polygon, or jive. Okay, so first mark they always check is your scale guys. Must be uniform, uniform scale on both the axis. Paksi Y dan paksi X kalah seragam, uniform scale. So that's why I changed my axis just now. So that is uniform. Okay, and then 2 marks, you must draw all the bar correctly. Okay, and then you use the midpoint or the upper boundary, lower boundary. So that one have 2 marks. Okay, and then the last mark is your overall histogram is betul. Okay, with the scale given. Okay, are you clear guys how to score 4 marks? So you must take note how they mark your histogram. Okay, so make sure you get all these points. Okay, boleh guys? Can for histogram? So we go on. Okay, next one. So this one, we focus on ogive. Okay, so I will direct go to the graph. Because table, you guys know already lah. It is very simple. Same concept like what I discussed. Okay, so we go direct to soalan B. Okay, so soalan B, they ask you draw ogive based on the data. Okay, so this is your data. I show you directly the answer. Okay, saya harap kamu semua boleh isi yang ni lah. I think you all can do this already. Okay, so guys, ogive, x-axis. May I know what you use to plot? Paksi X guna apa? For ogive. Yang ni kena hati-hati. Ogive, what you use guys? May I know? Very good. Ogive hanya sempalan atas guys. Ogive only upper boundary can. Other cannot. Okay, only upper boundary. Lower boundary also cannot. Okay, only upper boundary. All right. So means that you must use all these value to plot sempalan atas. Okay. So your graph will look something like this. Okay, so ogive like this. Okay, so again over here, your scale you can modify. Okay, so guys, you see the distance here is 5, right? So you extend the axis macam ni, and then this one you will have 16.5, 0 you put on top. Do you understand guys? Kaedah sama macam tadi. Okay, you can draw like this also can. Okay, don't use this symbol lah guys. Siapa guna simbol ni to show when they draw their graph? Anyone? Siapa guna dalam ni? Can you comment? Who use this symbol? The symbol look like a heartbeat. Cannot use guys. Dilarang Don't use this symbol. Don't use in SPM. Okay, because mark scheme also never show that. Jangan guna symbol tu. I know your meaning that this symbol meaning actually means that you jump scale guys. They actually trying to show this meaning when you draw the graph. This means that you jump the scale. Like example, 21.5 suddenly become 5. So that's why people draw the symbol, but don't. SPM don't do. Okay? Just to let you guys know what's the meaning only. Okay? So now you can already read the value. Okay, baca nilai sahajalah. Okay, so again the same points. Okay, make sure you guys can score all the mark. Uniform scale, and then all the points are plotted correctly. 7 points. Okay, guys, this last 1 mark, take note. Your ogive must be smooth. What is the meaning of smooth, guys? Can you all tell me? Apa maksud ogive licin? Cuba bagi tahu saya to get the last mark. What is the criteria of a smooth ogive? Can anyone share? What do you know? Apa maksud ogive licin? Anyone? This criteria also very important because although you plot all your points correct, you still cannot get full mark. Yes, it means that your line must be smooth. Okay, so smooth line means that yes, don't stop when plotting. You must draw a continuous curve, guys. Means when you draw, right? You don't draw, suddenly stop, then continue. Continue, cannot. One shot. Okay, satu kali saja lukis. Then only it will be smooth. Okay, and make sure it pass through all the point. Don't go slightly out. Okay, jangan ke tepi kanan atau ke tepi kiri. It must pass at the center of the point. Okay, and then usually you can use cross. You don't use dot, guys. Jangan guna titik untuk plot or jive macam ni. Better use dot. Better use cross. Okay, because cross is more easier to look compared to dot. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys, for the part C is usually based on your ogive. So make sure your ogive is accurate so that you can score this 4 mark. Okay, so they will ask you like interquartile range. Okay, guys, I think you all know already, right, how to do this. So I just show you the mark scheme. What do I mean by range? Okay, guys, can you see over here? The final answer, right? There is not only one answer. Tak ada satu jawapan saja. There is a range. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Means that if your answer is between 10 to 11, any value you put lah, your answer is correct. Understand or not, guys? Means that any value between this, you will get 2 marks already. Okay, so don't worry too much on your value. Okay, jangan risau jawapan akhir. Okay, for the second part also same. If your answer is between 39 to 40, you will get full mark. Do you understand? So this is the meaning of the schema. Okay, boleh guys? I think you all very familiar, right? How to find Q3, Q1, all that I show you guys already. Okay, so you just apply it to your ogive. All right. Okay, so we go for the last question now. Soalan terakhir. Okay, so table again, I don't want to show. Mean also I don't want to show. We done already, so I direct focus on the graph. Okay, guys, now we discuss frequency polygon now. Okay, so may I know, frequency polygon, what is your x-axis? Apa paksi x kamu? Frequency polygon. Anyone? X-axis. Come on, guys. Paksi x kamu bubuh apa? Frequency polygon. Yes. Okay, you can use midpoint, guys. No problem. Or upper boundary, lower boundary also can. Okay, sempahan atas, sempahan bawah boleh. Okay, so you can use the data. Okay, guys, usually the technique is like this. When you see part A, right, the table give you midpoint. Means that you plot midpoint. Okay, kamu lihat jadual dah bagi titik tengah. So, kamu plot titik tengah lah. Jangan pi buat dua lagi kolom separuh atas, separuh bawah. No need. No need to do extra. Okay, use what they give you. Because the answer scheme most likely will going to use midpoint. Since they ask you to fill in the table of midpoint. Understand? So, ini teknik menjawab lah. Bila nampak titik tengah, kat bahagian A, graf pun titik tengah. Macam tu. Okay? So, again, make sure your frequency polygon is smooth, licin. Okay, so frequency polygon, guys. May I know, do we draw curve or using ruler? Kena guna pembaris atau freehand? May I know? Very important question. Yes, ruler, guys, not free, huh? Okay, mesti guna pembaris. Every single point, you must connect using ruler, pembaris. Okay, why pembaris? Because polygon. Guys, polygon is what? Polygon is something regular. It's a regular shape. Okay, means that it must be straight line. Okay, it must have a geometry shape to it. Okay, polygon is actually a geometrical shape. Geometrical shape means most likely it is straight line. Okay, garis lurus. Okay, and then one more thing, make sure your frequency polygon, this one is the most important. It must touch the x-axis. Kena sentuh paksi x. Cannot. Frequency polygon tak boleh. Mesti ruler. Okay? So make sure it also touch your x-axis. Kena sentuh paksi x. Kalau dia terapung, habis. Salah. You cannot make it floating. Okay? And yeah. So anyone know, why must we touch the x-axis? Kenapa kena sentuh paksi x? Frequency polygon kita. Cuba bagi sebab. Why must it cross the x-axis? Our frequency polygon. Why do you think it's like that? Try to think and see. Logic. Kenapa? Itu soalan saya. Kenapa kena sentuh paksi X? Not really. That is not the main reason. Ogive, yes. Yes, if it's ogive, then correct. The frequency must be start with 0. But frequency polygon, not necessary. Okay, so the main reason is actually because of the word polygon. Guys, polygon is a closed shape or open shape? May I know? Polygon tu adalah bentuk terbuka atau tertutup? Yes, so that's why you must close, guys, your graph. Graph pun kena tertutup. Can you see, guys? Your graph is closed over here. It form a shape already. Okay, in this case, it's irregular polygon. Polygon tak sekata because all the lengths are different. Setiap panjang dia berbeza. So that's why you must sentuh paksi X. So bila nampak perkataan polygon dalam bab ni, make sure sentuh paksi X. Okay, touch the X-axis. Okay, so you guys clear or not? Boleh dapat? So the plotting all very simple lah. Okay, very basic. Okay, you just use all your data only. Just be careful with all the data that you use. All right. Okay, guys. So are you clear? Any question that you want to ask lagi tentang frequency polygon ni? Okay, guys. Can you see over here? Kat sini mereka mula bukan dengan kosong. Correct? They start with 24.5. Okay, so if you want to label 0 also can. So kamu buat macam ni. Okay, then 0 you put on top. So, di atas paksi X, above the X-axis, which means that is only for Y-axis. Okay, 1 or 2 guys? 1 atau 2? No problem, right? Okay, very good. So, yeah. So with this, we already complete lah. Chapter 7, Form 5, kita dah habis. Bab 7, tingkatan 5. Congratulations. We already finished the Form 5 syllabus already. For maths, everything. Chapter 1 until Chapter 7. But of course, I will teach you guys Chapter 8 also lah. Bab 8 pun saya ajar next week. Okay? You guys want, right? Chapter 8. Semua orang mahu kan bab 8? Because I think that kamu semua tak faham kan bab tu. You all don't like Form 5 Chapter 8. Okay, so next week, Wednesday, hopefully, I'll inform later the timing. Okay? One class only, guys, that chapter. Satu kelas boleh cover satu bab. Because sangat pendek. Oh, first time. Make sure contact saya lah. Okay? Ya, saya dah bagi nombor. So if you want to join my group, just contact me.